In this video, you learn how to delete your search history on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to delete your search history on Facebook, all you have to do is go to the top left and click on your profile picture next to what's on your mind. Then click on the three little dots next to edit profile. Then once you're in your profile settings menu, you have to click on activity log. It's right in the middle. Then once you're in here, you have to scroll down a bit until you see logged information right in the bottom. And here you'll see search. You have to click on manage search. And here you'll see all the things you've searched for. And there's not an actual way to delete everything at once here. You can delete it all one by one. But if you click on filters and click on categories, then click on your search history. Here you see there is a button now saying clear searches, so we'll click on it. And right now we've deleted the search history on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.